Welcome. This is Jeff from the Watkins Tree Farm. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well and having a great day. The sun finally came out today. Still a little chilly, but not too bad. We had some freezing rain yesterday morning and then rain just under 3/4 of an inch, so it'll be good for the trees. Well, now they're predicting a snowstorm on January 1st. So a heck of a way to start 2021. We'll see if it actually happens, but they did issue a winter storm watch. This is the first one of the year, so we'll see if it comes to fruition. But I'm going to take you along. As you guys know, I'm getting a tractor, but the only way I have to remove snow as of right now is with my four-wheeler and a blade. So I am going to fire the four-wheeler up, install the blade, show you how you do that, and get everything ready just in case we get that snow. As my family's tired of me talking about all these forecasts and it not happening, so I've kind of kept this one on the down low, but I think they're predicting somewhere around 4 to 6 inches. For you guys that are watching this up north, I know that's not a big deal, but we haven't had 6 inches here probably for a couple of years. So bring it on, and let's put this blade on. Well, once again, the snowstorm missed us and went to the southeast. I'm gonna just stop watching these weather forecasts and models because they're never right. Anyway, looks like the bullseye is gonna be Emporia, somewhere around there. We might get a flake or two, but nothing like they started out with. So anyway, we came over here, we're cutting some wood and splitting some wood and just kind of helping out. We're burning more wood this year because everybody's home. Evan really likes to split wood, so I'll just keep cutting the logs for him to split. thank you guys for stopping by and checking the channel out. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. You guys have a great New Year's Day, and I wish you the best for 2021. I know it's going to be busy here. We ask for your subscription and follow us along through 2021 as we get ready to sell pre-cut trees in November and December. So thank you guys once again. You guys take care, God bless, and have a great day. Bye-bye.